You are watching CoastLife, and it is really just all about the holiday season here on CoastLife. We have always been keeping you updated with fun holiday events, things you can do, things your family can do. So we are not stopping today. Today we have two lovely ladies with us today with the Women's Club of Milton. I was making sure I didn't get that wrong today because the acronym WCOM, I was getting confused. But welcome.
Thank
So
you.
happy to have you both here. So we're talking about this really fun holiday house tour you have going on. Before we jump into that, though, I just want to know, I've never heard of WCOM. What is the Women's Club of Milton?
Sure. Women's Club of Milton is a part of the General Federation of Women's Clubs, which is an international organization of women who are committed to service for their community, and doing so, do fundraising to create activities and programs and gifts to the town which they service.
Amazing. That's great. So you guys really are just about making your community, in this case Milton, a better place, more fun place.
Exactly. Last
Great.
year we gave out $12,000 in scholarships.
Wow.
We gave some all-inclusive park equipment to the Milton Town Park.
I saw that. That's incredible.
Yes. And we work with the school system. We work with the Milton Food Pantry. We have so many activities that keep us busy in the town.
Great. Well, you ladies sound just incredible, and you're not stopping during the holiday season.
No.
You have a really fun event coming up. Tell us, what are you all doing for the holidays?
Well, the town sponsors annually through the Chamber of Commerce the Holly Fest, which is a town-wide exhibition of our town. We have several public venues open with over 90 vetted crafters. And we ourselves, the Women's Club, does a fantastic bake sale, which everyone looks forward to.
I bet.
And part of that Holly Fest is the Holiday House Tour, which the Women's Club sponsors. This year we have 9 homes and 3 public venues that are, actually I think there's 4 public venues now that we're showcasing. Many of the homes are historical. Many of the homes are those beautiful Victorians you always want to get inside of.
Yes.
And we have one of our homeowners right here.
That's right. So, Jolynn, you have a historic home, and this is one that people can come in and see on the tour. Is that right?
Correct.
Incredible. Tell us about your home and what makes it so unique.
My house is over 200 years old. I've been there 47 years, and we're right on the main street. And it's very interesting, the architecture. It's got nice gardens in the yard. And it was originally, over 100 years ago, would have been a dry goods store. And then at one time I was told it was a millinery store, so I have a nice big bay window. So I decorate it for every holiday.
That's so sweet. So it's decorated for Christmas, I'm assuming, already.
Over the top.
That's great. Do a lot of people do that on the tour when they're showing their homes, really decorate for the holidays?
Yes, and we have a variety. We have people that are decorated for Christmas, people who have decorated for Hanukkah. So you'll see a little bit of everything on the tour.
Great. It is the holiday season, so we're celebrating all the holidays. This is so exciting. People, of course, are going to want to see these homes. I would want to go to get like some decoration inspiration. So no matter the reason for them going in, how can they get involved? How can they sign up? What should they do next?
Well, this is our booklet, which advertises and gives a little history and story about each of the homes, and it's the entrance to each home. They can be purchased at the Mercantile in downtown Milton, at Salon Milton, and also we have a venue, Lewis Gourmet in Lewis, that's selling the tickets. If anyone can't get to the store, we do take reservations by phone, and the phone number is 302-329-9738. Those tickets will be reserved and be waiting for them at the Historical Society for pickup before 2 o'clock that day.
Fantastic. So they just have to go to these stores or online, register. They can go see these homes, and all that money goes back into Milton, back into your mission.
That's correct.
Perfect. Why wouldn't you do it? It sounds like so much fun. Well, thank you, lady, for being here and for telling us about this. I'm sure a lot of people are going to run to those places right now and pick up a booklet.
Good.
Awesome. All right, while you do that, or before you do that, I should say, you can stay right where you are. More CoastLife is heading your way. Then you can go get your ticket.